make some love on your favorite beach. Out to the house that we found in the city limits. Talk our babies through the bad dreams. When they get older, we'll tell them not to drink. Book a church when she finds a groom. Laugh about all the times they'll count the pennies. Give them land with a good view to start a family. Baby, grow old with me. Hey everyone, Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song that was requested by Florida Georgia Line called Grow Old. It's a super sweet song, so thanks for requesting it. Thanks for everyone who has subscribed. To those of you who are new to my videos, I'd ask you to please hit subscribe and like if you enjoy the video and find it useful. Otherwise, don't, I guess. So you can get notified when I come out with new ones. All right? Enough of that. So let's get into this. All right? Standard tuning capo on a 5th fret. All right? I'll include a link to the capo that I have in the description in case you want to buy, or in case you need one or want to buy it. It's lasted me like 15 years. That's awesome. Still works great. So anyway, let's do this thing. All right. So here are the chords you're mainly going. Here are the chords you're going to start with. All right. C, then G. I think it's easier to use this G, but it doesn't matter what you want. Whatever's good for you. Okay. And then D. Okay. And you're gonna play that twice in the intro. So you're gonna go dun 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 dun. Okay, so then you do it again. C, G, D. You stay on D, okay, then you go back to C and go, tell me that you love me, say we'll always work it out. Okay, so the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. I'm gonna walk you through that one time really slow. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, then you start over. You do that for almost the entire song. There's a couple parts where you don't do that, but I'll show you those, okay? So you're gonna start out with C and you're gonna go, tell me that you love me. So C is tell me. Tell me that you love me. Say is G. Say we'll always work it out. So out is D. Out. I know is C. I know it's kind of scary, but it's soon temporary down. So only is G. It's only is G. It's only temporary doubt. D is doubt, so that's easy to remember. I've done a lot of C, a lot of stupid things. Things is G, things. But promise that you're gonna, so promise is D, so but promise that you're gonna stay. So gonna stay is E minor, okay? Gonna stay long enough. Long enough is where you do C, enough. Then you're gonna do D. To grow old with me. Me is G. Okay, that's the first verse. They do kind of like 2 verses before they go into the chorus. So you're gonna just repeat the same chord progression exactly. Okay, so you're gonna do C, G, D, C, G, D. Okay, so you do that. Let's see, it looks like 3 times. C, G, D, C, G, D. And then you're gonna do C, G, D. So you're actually gonna do it 4 times, and then you're gonna do, and then after that you're gonna go E minor, C, D, G. Okay. Then when you go to the chorus, it's basically the same thing except you're gonna use E minor a little bit more, but you're gonna use the same strumming pattern. Okay, so you're gonna go. So C is let's hold hands on your favorite. On your favorite G, do G. On your favorite beach. And you do D right before you say fix. Fix up a house that we found. Found is E minor. Found in the city limits. Okay, so you can see it goes C, G, D, E minor. Okay, in the chorus. Then you're gonna do it again. Tangled up in the satin. So tangled is C, and then satin is G. Tat in the satin sheet. And get a little. So get is D. Get a little loud when we've had too much to drink. Okay, so E minor is going to be when we've had too much to drink. Then you do C again, so you do C after drink. And learn to love from a church is G, church pew. Then laugh, you do D before laugh. Laugh about all the times is E minor, times we've counted pennies. Then you do C again. Buy some land with a good view. Good is G, so that's easy. Good view to start a fam. So that here you're going to do E minor, D, C. So you're going to start a family. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up. Then you go to D. So you go to start a family. So it's E minor, D, C. And then you go to D. Baby, grow old with me. And then after you do Baby, grow old with me on D, and you can just do a single strum. Baby, grow old with me. Then you're going to do C, G, D again, okay? You just do that once, and then you go into the next verse, okay? So then, the only other thing you need to know for this song is after you do the second chorus, you're going to go straight into the bridge, okay? So at the end of the second chorus, you're going to go, baby, you know we might take a turn. So then you just go right into the bridge, which is C, okay, C, G, and then you're actually going to do B flat, okay? So you can't, you would basically play that just like B, but you do it on the first and third frets, okay? Or you can do it like this, okay? You can actually just do a power chord, all right? And bar it. Okay, so it's going to go C, take a turn down a bad road. And you do G right before maybe. Maybe go where the wind blows, baby. Okay, and then it goes B flat. But end up right where we want to be. B is D, all right? B, yeah. Okay, then the last chorus, you're just going to do single strums. Back and forth on a porch swing. Hard not to smile, thinking how it don't get much better. Now our baby's turning 18. See that? You just do that. So then when you do the Baby Grow Old With Me at the end 3 times, you just do D. Baby grow old with me. After me you do C, G, and then D. And you go, baby grow old with me. And you just repeat it, okay? The way the song ends is you're gonna do, let's see. Tell me that you love me. Then you go C, and then you do G. Say we'll always work it out. You just do single strums, okay? That's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments or requests for other songs. I'd love to teach them to you guys. And thanks, it's good to be back. All right, I'll see you next time.